Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to bold text on Discord in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, you have to open your Discord. Now first of all, I'm going to show you some basic text. So this is how basic text looks like. Now I'm going to show you bold text. So now you can see here how my bold text looks like. So this is how to bold text on Discord in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.